Imagine being 19, scrolling through your phone, and realizing that you've already wasted the most valuable years of your life. Most teenagers don't know this, but the habits they build now will either make them rich or trap them in a cycle of mediocrity. The real tragedy? It doesn't take genius, hustle 24/7, or a viral TikTok to get rich. It takes strategy. And laziness, believe it or not, can be part of that strategy. Let me ask you something. If I told you that you could become a millionaire by doing less than your peers, would you believe me? Most wouldn't. That's the first shift you need to make. Wealth isn't just about working hard. It's about doing the easiest thing that still works and doing it early. Now, let's get one thing straight. When I say lazy, I don't mean careless or aimless. I mean strategic. Smart lazy is using systems, tools, and shortcuts to win, faster, cleaner, and with less stress. It's not about avoiding work. It's about avoiding wasted work. If you've ever optimized your school project so you do the least amount of work for the best grade, you already understand lazy excellence. And guess what? That same mindset can make you rich. Lazy is not weak, it's optimized. It's not unmotivated, it's precise. In a world that glorifies grind, those who win with minimum effort are playing at a higher level. So if you're a teenager looking for freedom, money, and time, this is the blueprint you've been waiting for. Let's look at some real-world examples of teens who embraced lazy systems and got rich young. Josh King Madrid started by reposting viral TikTok content and plugging in affiliate links. No original content, no product creation, just smart positioning. Within a year, he was pulling in 6 figures with barely any startup capital. Jade Dharmawangsa launched a YouTube channel from her bedroom, repurposed Canva templates, and sold simple productivity tools online. Her first planner went viral, and she built a multi-income ecosystem from digital products. Beast Flips began flipping collectibles with his phone. He started with $50, went to garage sales, and resold items online. He created simple listings, used templates, and scaled it into a 6-figure income before most kids finished school. These are not rare unicorns. These are just teens who used lazy strategies that work. No magic, no millions of followers, just optimized effort. The first lazy way to get rich: cashback and reward hacks. Start with the lowest hanging fruit, cashback. Download apps like Rakuten, Upside, and Honey. Sign up for a debit card that gives you interest. Connect a credit card that offers cashback on groceries, gas, or online shopping. Teens spend money daily, snacks, apps, clothes, but what if every dollar returned a little extra to your pocket? That's what lazy wealth starts with. Go further, stack rewards. Use Rakuten for cashback, combine it with Honey coupons, and link purchases to Lolly to earn Bitcoin. Every small transaction becomes a small income stream. Promote these tools with your referral link. Post a story, a TikTok, or just drop it in a group chat. Every sign-up earns you $10 to $30. 10 friends equals $300 with zero product to manage. The second lazy way to get rich: flipping for profit. Flipping is the easiest intro to real business, but you can do it the lazy way. Use price alerts on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and OfferUp. When a deal drops, snag it and repost it with better photos and a higher price. Focus on high-demand items: gaming consoles, headphones, collectible sneakers, books. Take photos once, copy-paste your descriptions, and relist to eBay, Vinted, or Depop. Even lazier, flip free stuff. Search for free on Craigslist and local listings. Pick up what others are dumping, clean it, and list it for $20 or $100. The third lazy way to get rich: create once, earn forever. Use Canva to design a student planner, a meal prep tracker, or a TikTok content schedule. These templates sell daily on Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip. Bundle your templates. Offer them as a creator starter pack or student productivity bundle. Add simple bonuses, wallpapers, swipe files, Notion pages. Automate everything. Set up auto delivery. Schedule email reminders. Track buyers and upsell with no extra work. Use ChatGPT to write descriptions, Canva for visuals, and Gumroad for payments. And boom, done. The fourth lazy way to get rich: short form content. Use short videos to drive traffic. Film TikToks reviewing study tools, cool gadgets, or digital products. Repost those clips to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. One idea equals 3 platforms, triple the chance of going viral. Keep it fast and raw. Talk directly into the camera or don't show your face. Use screen recordings, trending audio, and simple captions. Once you build a small audience, add links to your products, affiliate pages, or Discord group. Monetize attention on autopilot. Use AI tools to batch scripts. Record once a week. Schedule posts for the entire month. That's a full content machine with under 2 hours per week. The 5th lazy way to get rich. This is the laziest hustle with the biggest upside. Join affiliate programs like Amazon, Digistore24, and ClickBank. Search for trending products and make a Notion page listing them with your links. Write short reviews with ChatGPT. Turn them into blog posts, TikToks, or even Pinterest pins. Every view is potential passive income. Want to boost conversions? Create top 5 lists, top 5 study tools, top 5 cheap gift ideas, etc. Link each item. People love curation, and it sells. Use forums like Reddit, Quora, and Discord communities to share your insights, but always lead them to your page. The 6th lazy way to get rich, microjobs for Macs. Sell digital services on Fiverr or Ko-fi. Write Instagram captions, design basic logos, fix spelling in resumes, build 3-5 template variations. Deliver them again and again. Use delivery automation. Set up pre-filled responses. Link Google Drive folders. All your gigs become plug and play. Use a second account to outsource to cheaper freelancers. You profit off the difference. It's drop servicing, the lazy cousin of freelancing. The 7th lazy way to get rich, selling access, not products. Start a Discord server or a private newsletter. Focus on niche info, free crypto drops, book summaries, sneaker resale alerts, or AI tool guides. Use Patreon, Gumroad, or Buy Me a Coffee to collect payments. Offer tiered access, basic, premium, lifetime. Curate content from Reddit, Twitter, and blogs. Summarize it. Post it. Your value isn't originality, it's access and clarity. You become the human filter. People pay for simplicity. Automate content curation with tools like Feedly or Notion AI. Let the info come to you. Add your spin. And share it with the members. The 8th lazy way to get rich. Combine everything. Use a digital product as your core. Promote it via short videos. Include affiliate links. Build a private community. Offer services through that group. All from one idea. For example, you create a study toolkit. Sell the Notion template, digital product. Recommend a study lamp from Amazon, affiliate. Review the toolkit on TikTok, content loop. And invite people to a study-focused Discord community. This is the lazy empire blueprint. Every piece of content feeds every other stream, by minimal time and with maximum spread. Add in email automations, referral programs, and analytics dashboards. You're no longer just a team, you're a lazy CEO. Final lazy bonus, sell knowledge without expertise. Record yourself learning something, literally. Film, watch me build my first online store, or day 1 of selling digital planners. People follow journeys more than they follow experts. Post updates, share what works and what fails. Offer your templates or notes as paid downloads. Your learning process becomes the product. You're not teaching, you're documenting. And that's the lazy secret to expert level income. Here's what we've learned. Being lazy isn't a flaw, it's a framework. Smart laziness is the blueprint for rich teens and free adults. It's how the smartest players beat the hardest workers. You don't need a logo, you don't need a plan. You need a low-effort system that pays consistently. Pick any of these lazy ways, try it today, then optimize tomorrow. This is the new rich, calm, efficient, and automated. Start lazy, start now, and let the money come to you. Make sure to subscribe for more real, low-effort strategies to build wealth the smart way. This is NovaWealth, where lazy teens become millionaires on autopilot.